Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize trading strategies with Bitfinex, full guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing trading strategies with Bitfinex, start by creating an account on the platform. Once registered, complete the necessary identity verification process to ensure a smooth trading experience. Next, familiarize yourself with the Bitfinex interface, exploring the various tools and features available. Begin by accessing the Markets section to analyze the cryptocurrencies offered. Identify which trading pairs align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, utilize the Charts feature to study price movements and historical data. Implement technical analysis by incorporating indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Set clear entry and exit points for your trades based on your analysis. Consider developing a trading plan that outlines your strategy, including risk management techniques. Utilize the paper trading feature to simulate trades without risking real capital. Analyze your simulated results to refine your strategy based on performance. Once confident, move to live trading. Start small to minimize risk while gathering real-world data. Monitor the market continuously, adjusting your strategy in response to changing conditions. Utilize the Bitfinex API if you're comfortable with programming. This can automate your trading strategy. Regularly review your trades to identify successful patterns and areas for improvement. Keep learning by staying updated with market news and trends to inform your strategies. Engage with the Bitfinex community through forums and social media to exchange ideas and insights. Continuously optimize your strategies, learning from both successes and failures. Maintain a trading journal to document your trades and the thought process behind each decision. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to effectively optimize your trading strategies on Bitfinex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.